How has the Pixel 7 Pro been after 30 days of day-to-day use? What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video, we're going to talk about my experience with the Pixel 7 Pro and how it's been for me after 30 days of use. Now, I've had the privilege to get the device from Team Pixel, hashtag the Team Pixel for sending this out, hashtag gift from Google. I appreciate everything you do for us here at Team Pixel, and I am grateful to be part of Team Pixel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the Pixel 7 Pro. So I want to talk about a few bugs. I think only one bug actually that I have encountered. Now, I know there's been a lot of overheating issues when recording 4K at 60 frames per second with the Pixel 7 Pro. Now, I personally have not experienced that overheating issue, but I'm not going to say that you haven't encountered that. You might have encountered that, and I think Google even has acknowledged that. I'm not quite sure, but me personally, I have not experienced that overheating issue. But I have experienced the orientation issue where you auto rotate when you're watching a video on YouTube and you go to landscape mode. The phone fails to recognize the motion and it stays in portrait mode. So with that being said, that I have encountered numerous times on the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now, I don't know if it's a YouTube issue or a Pixel issue. It doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen very often, and I love to see that being fixed with either the software update or something. But that's the only really bug that's kind of annoyed me when using the Pixel 7 Pro in the last 30 days. Nothing besides that pops into mind where I'm like, God, I wish this wasn't happening to me right now. Connectivity issues, absolutely amazing. With that being said, let's move on to performance, because the phone has been performing absolutely fantastic. It does not get better than this. I think Google hit it out of the park with this Gen 2 chip. A lot of the issues that we've were known to or seeing with the 6 Pro are absolutely gone now. They improved a lot with the Pixel 7 Pro. Like I said, the Pixel 6 Pro was plagued with bugs, overheating issue, and all sorts of things. With this device, it absolutely feels buttery smooth. There's absolutely no hiccups. Scrolling has been fantastic. Before, you used to scroll and you used to have scroll issues with frame drops and stuff like that. I have yet to see any of that in my Pixel 7 Pro. But with that being said, I absolutely love this device. Has been performing fantastic. It can handle any task that I want. It's just simply amazing. You have to try it. Now, I want to talk about battery life. Now, battery life has been good. It's probably not comparable to the iPhone 14 Pro Max or the 13 Pro Maxes. That one was a battery beast, but it is good. Now, on a day-to-day, this thing gets me on a full charge to the end of my day. Now, I unplug my device usually around 9:30, and I don't get off of work till about midnight, and around 11:30ish, 10:30ish, I'll be about 20 to 15%. So I do end my day with about 15 to 10% on most of the times, but I do use my phone a lot during work, and I use the modem a lot during calls. I'm constantly on the call with somebody using my Pixel Buds. I'm constantly on the phone talking to people, and I know that the modem does drain a lot of battery. So if you don't use the phone a lot and you're not constantly on calls, then your battery life might be a little bit better than mine. But as far as that goes, I'm super satisfied with it because like I said, I'm constantly on my phone. My phone gets me, the Pixel 7 Pro gets me through a full day's of work, and there's nothing I can complain about it. It's absolutely fantastic. There's wireless charging, there's fast charging if I absolutely need to plug in, but it's been fantastic. Now, moving over to the cream of the crop, which is the camera. Now, usually you don't see big improvement from last year iterations of the Pixel to the newest one, but this year's something about the Pixel 7 Pro has it's absolutely amazing. The pictures that you taken, the video quality has improved. Everything they have kind of tailored a little bit more of the camera features and video features compared to last year's 6 Pro, and it's been a pleasure using it. I want to take pictures, I want to take videos. It's almost like encouraging me to use my camera more. I love taking pictures of my kids. I love taking pictures of them in sports. I just go out. I love taking pictures with this camera because it makes you feel like a better photographer than you really are. The picture quality this thing produces is absolutely amazing. The videos that this thing produces are absolutely amazing. They've improved their video quality and their video features, and a lot of the features that the Pixel 7 has, like magic eraser, all these editing cool quirks that the camera has, just makes you want to use the phone more, makes you want to go out there, take pictures, experience life, and put it out there on your social media. I absolutely love what this device does for an individual person who takes average pictures. It just encourages them to take more pictures. So as far as camera, this thing has been a beast. There's been absolutely, like I said, no overheating issues here with me. I absolutely love this camera on this device, and I can't wait to dive deeper into the camera features and just explore more possibilities of what I can do creatively with this camera. Now let's move on to the display. Like, the display is something you look at every time you look at your device, right? So there's not much improvement from last year's. It is still 2K, 120 hertz. Everything seems smooth and fluid. Colors pop. Everything is absolutely fantastic and seems very similar to the 6 Pro. But the one key thing that I did notice about this display, it gets a lot brighter in direct sunlight. So when it comes to using this device out in the sun, you absolutely can see this screen with no problems whatsoever. It is like world of a difference compared to the 6 Pro. This thing absolutely gets super bright, and you're going to be able to see this display at any angles, at any type of light. This thing is absolutely fantastic when it comes to this. But as regards to watching movies and all that stuff, the experience has been great. Like I said, not that much of a difference compared to last year's, but it does get a lot brighter. And connectivity. Now I know a lot of you guys with the 6 Pro and the 6 had a lot of connectivity issues, whether it was Wi-Fi, modem connectivity with not getting data, cell phone, and weak signals. Now this device, I believe that they went ahead and upgraded to a newer modem, and it absolutely performs well. I've not had any of Wi-Fi issues. I have not had any weak connectivity issues, data just dropping out for no reason, it hanging on like at LTE or 5G, not being able to connect the 5G and not dropping back to LTE. I have not had any of those issues. Now I'm currently on the T-Mobile network. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I know last year I was on the T-Mobile network as well, and I was having a lot of issues with connectivity, just data just dropping out for no reason and all that sorts of stuff. But this year, connectivity, voice quality, voice calls, and all that has been absolutely perfect. Surfing the web, going the internet, and all that has been fantastic. No data drops, no phone call drops, anything. The quality in calls from the recipient are always great. No issues with call quality whatsoever when it comes to the Pixel 7 Pro. So when it comes to 30 days of day-to-day use, I feel like this device has been absolutely fantastic. There hasn't been any major hiccups for me to not recommend this device. Now, I am enjoying the experience that the Pixel 7 has been providing. Now, I know it's not going to be a perfect experience. Nothing in the world is perfect, but it has not been a hinder in my life. It's been an improvement. And if you're considering picking up the Pixel 7 Pro, I strongly recommend you picking it up, especially now, the time of the holidays. You can get this device for little or no dollars down. I absolutely think that you are gonna be surprised by this device. It is absolutely beast. Now, that has been my 30-day experience with the Pixel 7 Pro. If you have any comments, any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Now, not to say that this might take a left turn somewhere and absolutely get terrible, but I think Google is doing a fantastic job right now, and I hope they can continue to provide the excellent experience it has been providing the last 30 days. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.